Before we get started, let's make sure we have all of the ingredients and supplies. We'll need cup, toothpicks, large marshmallows, candy melts, gummy worms, food coloring, and trail mix, mainly for the raisins. You'll need 5 large marshmallows for your slippery snake. I've placed the candy melt into a bowl and set it in the microwave for 1 minute. Be careful, the bowl may be hot when taking out. Now, I'm pouring into my mixing cup and I'm adding the food coloring to get my desired look. I think I'm going to make purple and green. Next step, we're getting messy. Take your marshmallows and place them into the color cups and mix it all up. Time to take them out. I'm using styrofoam cups as placeholders for my marshmallows. Take your toothpicks and place 1 into each marshmallow. Next, we're putting our snake together and carefully place it inside of the marshmallows one by one. I've already cut my gummy worm for the tongue. Then I use the raisins and cut it in half to make the eyes. And voila, your slippery snake snack is ready for a bite. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for our next sensory activity videos.